Tino and Tina went to the party. If I go with Tino and Tina, that is we. If I just stay home, that is they. We, they. These are pronouns. Personal pronouns. Do you still remember what pronouns are? They are words that we use to replace the nouns in a sentence. We is a pronoun for the person speaking and other people with him or her. We are dancing. We are singing. They is a pronoun for two or more people, animals, things, places, or events. They are dancing. They are singing. Remember, we use the pronoun we for the person speaking and other people with him or her. We use they for two or more persons, animals, things, places, or events.